Alright guys, welcome back to another episode of Build It Right. You are joining us in our new house. So this is what I do on a day-to-day basis. We build houses, whether they're for ourselves or somebody else, they're all fun. But one of the best parts when you're building it for yourself, you get to do whatever the heck you want. And the staircase that I'm going to put in this spot right here is something I have wanted to do for a long time. Welcome to Build It Right. My name is TJ. I have been in construction well over 20 years, and one of the best parts is I got to do it all standing right next to my father. And that man, he taught me how to do it right. And now I want to take everything I've learned and pass it on to you and help you get your project done. So come on, let's go. Okay, so what you guys are looking at, if you can't tell, this is one of those monorail staircases. And all that means is there's a center tube running down the middle. These, I get a weld onto all these, and then everything gets welded together. And then if you come back here, so all these plates I had CNC cut. This will actually get bolted to the top of all those little small pieces, and then our wood step will bolt to this. So it's going to be pretty freaking cool. What we're using for wood steps, this was really fun to make. These, we went straight to a sawmill and bought all kinds of maple lumber. We planed it all down, sanded it, glued them all together. This is going to be the finished step. Yeah, I'm super excited to get this thing built. If you guys are interested in following along with this build, don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next week.